Guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Pycharm. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, in order to download Pycharm in your laptop is your computer, so you have to go to browser and go there Pycharm download Pycharm. So after that, you will get the first link by jetpage.com. Select that. So after you go there, you have to download community, because in professional you will get a trial only and you have to pay for it after going by trial. In if you are in Mac, you go to Mac, Linux. It is for all the three operators. So you have to download community because it will be always free and no paid version is there for community. So let's download community. So after a few seconds you will get this that it has been downloaded already. Cancel it. So let's cancel it. Then I'll shut the browser and go to the folder it has kept. So let's go to downloads and here it is. So let's open Pycharm Community 2020.2.02. So let's download it. So I have opened it. It is loading. So wait till it loads. So it will verify the installer. After verifying the installer, it will give you a window that will say that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So I'll click on yes. So by that, yes, now you will get this window. In this you have to click on next, and you can also change the folder where it has been kept by browse it. I'll keep the folder as same, so I'll click on next. Now you have to configure your Pycharm. So I'll do this 64-bit launcher, open folder as project, create Py, and all this 4 I have to check it. So click on next, and after you give the folder name, you have to install it. So here the short is also available, and it has been installing very fast, as you can see. So it will install very quickly. So wait till it installs. It has been extracting all the files. So it has been downloaded 50% or above, 50% above. So it has been left this much. bit of time more. And it has been completed. So here it has been written yet that your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Pycharm Community Edition. So do you want to reboot now? So I'll do it manually after that. So let's meet you after rebooting my system. So I have restarted my computer or laptop, you can say that. Now by this, now I have the window. When I firstly opened the Pycharm Community Edition, there a window came that was saying to agree the agreement. So I check the box and click on next. Then after that you have to download the Python mainly for your laptop Python edition. If you want me to show that how to download Python, please comment me down, so I'll make that video for you. Now I am opening Pycharm. So I have downloaded Python also already. Now I'll select a new project, and after that you have to name your project, as I'll name it as example. So here you will get that you can choose new environment using or existing interpreter. I suggest you to choose interpreter if you don't get this, because so after downloading Python, if you don't get this option, then click on three dots and go to system interpreter, and now select here the option will become that Python 3.8 or the version you are using. Here I have selected already, so it will not come. So after that I'll click on cancel because I have selected already the Python 3.8. So I'll now select create. So here it will be asking for create from existing sources. I'll select open project. So here the project will be opened. So you may get a big notice written here. So after you clear that, then you can write your first program. I'll show you a small program by writing print brackets quotes and then hello world. That's my small program, and click on run. So it will run that hello world. That was the program. So if you want me to make a big program like a chat box, so comment